Hello everyone, welcome back to Unskilled Kitchen on a Friday. Much different than a Thursday. Let's talk about that for a little bit. Let's talk about this sudden change that I dropped on you guys. Sorry. But hey, you know what? It's for the better. It'll produce great content for Unskilled Kitchen. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to dive into why I'm busy or have been busy. But, you know, this will just kind of like make it easier for me to work around my other schedule and still be able to, you know, do Unskilled Kitchen as something that I enjoy and am passionate about. So, with that being said, yeah, I know my hair's a mess. I'm a mess. I'm in a sweater. I don't care anymore. Let's talk about something here real quick, because I promise it'll actually dive into what we're going to be doing today. Everyone out there has the right to be happy, has the right to do what they feel like needs to be done in their life. Right now, I am extremely happy. A wise person once told me that you should never chase your dreams, because chasing your dreams almost sounds like you can't keep up. It's always going to be a greater distance from you and you have to run after it. They said that you must follow your dreams. Your dreams must be next to you, alongside you. You must visualize your dream right there with you, right? Create continuity. Babe, is it continuity? Continuity. Create continuity between your dream and you. And it creates a beautiful thing. So great things are happening. That is why I have moved Unskilled Kitchen to Fridays at 8 o'clock. How does this relate to what we're cooking today? Continuity, my friends, continuity. Last week we made the greatest enchilada sauce known to mankind. Seriously, if you haven't tried it yet, do it. I guarantee it. I put a personal guarantee on it, right? We made that last week. And I kind of threw a little teaser in there, right? I said that we would probably use this enchilada sauce for something else, right? I think I can find something to use this enchilada sauce with that isn't an enchilada. Little teaser for you. So, continuity, people, continuity. I thought I made that birria sandwich once, right? An enchilada sauce is kind of like the, was it consomme? Consomme? Consomme. It was kind of like the consomme for birria. I mean, on a really like cheap and easy scale. But it kind of just like reminded me of it, right? So I thought, why not make some fish tacos where we, you know, we cook the fish in this enchilada sauce. We dip the tortillas in the enchilada sauce, you know, put the tortillas that have been dipped onto a flat top and cook them. And then maybe we can even, you know, dip these fish tacos into the enchilada sauce. You know, it's super easy. I feel bad that last week was not quick and easy. This one is quick and easy. Unless you're like me and have frozen fish and you have to wait forever for it to thaw. Let's get into it. Tortillas, fish. Hopefully it's not rock hard and frozen like this and you got fresh fish. But don't worry, if you got it frozen like me, just de-thaw it. Onions, cilantro, and the world's best enchilada sauce. Don't worry, if you don't know how to make this, just check out my previous video, the quick and easy enchiladas. It's the best enchilada sauce you will ever have in your entire life, guaranteed. All right, so we're gonna put our fish in this pan that has been de-thawed. Put it up medium high, something like that. And just kind of let it cook. Okay, now that it is sizzling, let's go ahead and take this best enchilada sauce ever, and we are going to throw it over it. Look at that. Okay, once you have your fish into little pieces like so, see that? Wait, oh, it's still getting my face. Damn it, I'm dripping everywhere. See that? Once you get them like that, that's the size you want.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
Shit. Boom, done. Quick and easy. Like I said, so simple. Now let's get our flat top. There we go. There we are. Can you see that? Oh no, you can't. Okay, so you can see me cooking there. Oh, but you can't see me. Shit. Maybe I can just like cook like this. This is posing to be difficult. We're gonna, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna like cook from a distance. I think this will work. Oh yeah, we cooking. Here we go. All right, let's see, yeah, right, here's my mark, okay. So we're gonna take our tortilla and we are going to dip it into our enchilada sauce, okay? Make sure we get both sides. Beautiful. And then we throw it on. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing with the other. Boom, we're done. Okay, turn off that heat. Bring over these fine taco tortillas. Okay, and then we can go ahead and assemble. Sprinkle on some of that onion. Sprinkle on that cilantro. Well, this came out great, didn't it? I mean, seriously, it looks like a birria taco, but it's fish and enchilada sauce. So it's nowhere close to a birria taco. But we used continuity, right? Wait, am I even using the right word? Ah, yeah, see? Continuity, synonyms. Connectedness and unity. See? So, I mean, I guess that means that, like, I'm saying it right? So we used connectiveness to bring birria and the best enchilada sauce in the world and brought them together to make connectiveness. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and let's try this out, yeah? Ooh, these are gonna be some, like, really crispy ass tacos. Okay. Dip it on in. Ooh, look at that. Let's try it. Whoa! Oh my God. What? And the fact that this took me like 15 minutes? Are you serious? Whoa, dude, yo, oh my. This is the best taco I've ever had in my life. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, don't even make anything else I've ever made on Unskilled Kitchen. I will tell you right now, this just, everything else is complete garbage compared to this. No matter how good those things were, I would choose this over every single one of those all day, every day. So if you're gonna make anything that I make here at Unskilled Kitchen, do this first. Anywho, yeah, so thank you again for watching the channel. Thank you again for my spiel in the intro. Great things are coming. That's all I gotta say. And Unskilled Kitchen will only grow larger and better, and yeah, it'll just be a fun ride, you know? It'll be awesome. So, cheers.
La